Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Iowa Hobby Farm. It finally happened. Got a pretty good snow last night. I just got home from work and probably gonna get the tractor out. Hope to see you when it's light. Well, I guess I lied. I thought it was gonna be daytime when I was gonna plow this, but I just didn't get around to it today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this and see if we can break it up. I actually had a propane truck today come kind of unexpectedly, and it got stuck at the bottom of the driveway on the ice and then got up toward the top over here, and I had to put down sand and all kinds of stuff to get him back down. It was quite the ordeal, but we're gonna try to scrape this. It's pure ice underneath. I'm not even gonna worry about turning my plow backwards this year. We're just gonna start plowing. So stay tuned. I've got the Kubota over here warming up. Let's see if I can turn some lights on here for you. Still pretty cold, but we got a full tank of gas. Should be good to go. Stay tuned, I'll take you along. All right, we've got the tractor warmed up and I'm gonna start at the bottom of this hill. I'm gonna clear everything down here and then I can start moving vehicles down here. We've probably got about 3 inches of snow on the ground, if I had to guess, in this area. I don't know the total of snow that we got here in east central Iowa, but that's what we're looking at right here on the property. So stay tuned. We'll get this thing started here. Doing a little bit of spinning, not terrible. I'm gonna put this thing in low gear. Oh, if you're wondering why I don't have the big fancy lights on, I had I can't remember what it's called, a relay. I had a relay go out, and I was able to diagnose that by I went through all the wiring, and then I got to this relay, and every time I shook it, the lights would turn on. Well, I took it off and I noticed that it was full of water. We've got another one coming this probably tomorrow, hopefully. Well, we just made history right there. I have never been able to get up that hill with the plow down. So I'm pretty happy about the chains on here this year. They went on easy and it looks like they're doing a really good job. So I was able to plow that somehow. you some of the progress we've made down here anyway. Only done 2 passes, so I'm gonna get started on this, warm my hands up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got all the snow off the top. It's still pure ice on the bottom, but it's supposed to get a little bit warmer this week, and I'm hoping that the sun will melt some of this ice off. But we got it done, and I think vehicle traffic for Christmas will be able to get up the hill, hopefully. Well, we made it back. The one thing I got to do tonight is I got to level this blade. It's at an angle, kind of down a little bit on the right side, so I'm going to raise that up, and I'm going to make sure this blade's level on here. So anyway, well, thanks for watching, guys. There's going to be a lot more snow videos and tractor videos. See you on the next one.